Here's how to add time before or after bookings. So you're going to come over to your services and appointments on your Bookme dashboard. On the service that you would like to add time before or after, select the three little dots and click Edit. You'll go to the Schedule tab once you're in that service, scroll down, and where it says Need to add breaks between bookings, you'll click Add time between bookings. If you would like time just before the booking, you can type in how many minutes you would like. If you would like time just after, you can do just time after, or you can do time before and after. This allows for you to take a break or allow for travel time with those services. Once you've set what you would like, you select Save Changes, and you've set time before and after your booking. Once you've added this, clients can't book appointments within that buffer period. Your availability adjusts automatically, and your schedule can stay realistic and manageable. No one can book you during the block time before or after service.